Hi everybody, my name is Michael and I'm a full-time trader at True Traders, and I will present my video journal for Monday and Tuesday, the 1st of October. I don't have so much to trade my futures contract at the moment, and I'm only trading a small window on 2 hours every day, and that'll be at least for October. So I won't be posting a journal video every day, but every second day or so, because there's not so much to talk about. So let's get into my trades Monday. Monday was a losing day. I had two losing trades. And those two trades, first of all, they were within my window, but I also have an amount that if I go above that amount, losing on losses every day, on the day, I stop trading. And I also hit that. I have the same with profit. If I have reached a certain profit for the day, I also stop. It's a part of my risk management. So let's see Monday. Now I'll draw my arrow so we can see what I'm pointing at. So first a little context. In the night, price has this large pump here. Yeah, this here is the 5-minute candle, so a very big pump. And when something like that happens, I kind of expect the price to go back to not exactly the bottom always, but at least to go back before it tries to go up again. So that was what I was counting on. So I drew a fib line. Here's the golden zone. And I had the first reaction here. There was quite some volatility, so I waited a bit until this reaction here. And I longed, and I was up around 1.5 before price went against me. So in hindsight, I should have broken even, put my stop loss to entry. But I didn't, and it went down to a loss. Waited a little bit, and you can see then we got this rejection candle here. Very nice rejection, so I entered long one more time. And yeah, it didn't take long before it went straight to stop loss. So that was my futures trading for the day. I'm also trading swing trading forex, so it's not because I'm bored. But I am very busy at the moment, both with mentorship and a lot of back testing. So yeah, so it's not so much futures trading. So let me go to Tuesday where I had one trade. As you can see, price just continued down the whole Monday. And then I draw from, let me take arrow again, from this low here to this high. I drew a fib, and you can see we had here, this here was still Monday. There's a very good reaction of the fib. And then I kind of anticipated the price would go up and retest this area here. So I don't have it. I need to draw it again. Around here, let me zoom in. Sorry for all this here. So I will see what I'm doing. So I entered around here. I opened the chart and I had this resistance line here up here. I have this support line down here, which kind of formed a range that the price has been in. And I had the anticipation that price would go up because of the fib line, the fib area was hit and price had rejected from it. So let me do like this. So I entered here and I take profit up here like this at the support area, sorry, resistance area. My reasoning for entering was the price was in an uptrend and you had this very good rejection candle, but my stop loss was very tight. Down here, something very tight, and I had take profit here. like this, where I took half off. The reason why I had this tight stop loss in dollar amount was $150. Um, so very, very, very tight, not so many ticks. That was that I was entering along just right up into resistance. So there was also a good chance that the price was just reject here and go back down. So I want to minimize my risk because it was a lower probability trade. But if it succeeded, it would give a very good risk reward. And it took this high here where I had took half of the profit off and then went back to break even. So all in all, around 1.7 INR in total. And that was my only trade for yesterday. It look like this. Yeah, and that was it. I can show you. I made a video about double bottoms, double tops, and RSI divergence, which I use a lot. And for example, if we make a little education here, you can see here. Here's the first, and then first rejection, second rejection, price is making lower low. But down here, price is making higher high, so we have a bullish divergence. And I'm using the same support level as I drew all back Monday. So this here would have been a good entry if I was have been trading. We have the same here, rejection from trend line, making lower low, rejection from the same support line, and again here, bullish divergence, also been a very good entry. That is just to show a little bit how I use RSI divergence. But feel free to check out my video where I go in more in depth, in detail about RSI divergence and how I use them. Well, that is all for now, and I'll be posting my next video generally, probably Friday. And I hope in the weekend I have time to make another video about some of the aspects of my strategy where I go more in depth with it, with examples of where I would enter and where I would not enter. But I wish you all a good day. Bye bye.
Tell them how you're feeling,